Hello all, welcome to Virtual Life. I'm Rumesh. Today I give you a brief but very important introduction about Python programming language. First, please subscribe my channel to get advanced videos on science, technology and life. Okay, let us start. If you Google, you will see all the research records show Python has been the most popular programming language for years until this year. And according to the records, generally it is considered as the second easiest programming language to be learned in the world. In December 1989, a great software developer in Netherlands was looking for a hobby which could occupy him during the Christmas vacation. Since he was not satisfied with the programming language ABC, he began implementing a new programming language taking good features from ABC. When he developed this new one, he was watching the BBC comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Since he wanted a name that was a little short, unique, different and slightly mysterious, he called this programming language Python. This great software developer was Guido Van Rossum, who could release this smart programming language in 1991. Alright. Let us see now why Python is very popular and easy compared to other programming languages in the world. The first reason. Python is platform independent, that means it works on different platforms like Windows, Mac and other Unix-based operating systems. The second reason. Python has simple syntax similar to English language. The third reason. Python allows developers to write programs with very simple fewer lines. For example, to print something in Java, you have to use this big size command. In Python, simply we use this print command only. For another good example, in Java, you have to declare the type of variables. But in Python, you don't have to declare variable type. You only assign names with relevant values. That's all. The fourth reason. Python is an interpreted language. That means you can run the Python code as soon as it is written. Okay, let us see this. Many other languages require you to compile or translate your program into a form that the machine understands. For example, let us take Java Hello World program. When you run this Java program, this human-readable source code is converted into an intermediate bytecode first. This intermediate bytecode is not human-readable. It is read by the machine. Simple as that. But when you run a Python code, you don't have to compile it. It is interpreted. That means the program or source code directly will be executed. It is called Runtime Compilation. Okay, I've already discussed 4 reasons to select Python as your programming language now. The last one. Python supports object-oriented, procedural and functional programming. As a beginner in this level, you can't understand these things at once. I'll discuss them later. If I explain shortly, in procedural programming, program is divided into small parts called functions. In OOP, the program is divided into small parts called objects. Alright, these are the main 5 reasons for the easiness and fame of Python programming language. In the end, I want to discuss about the areas where the Python is heavily used in IT industry. Number 1. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Really, Python has rich libraries, simple syntax, basic controls and data structures. It also supports runtime environments without compiling. Next, number 2. Web development. Mainly Python is used as a server-side programming language in web development. The other areas are game development, data science and visualizations, for mathematics, business applications, audio and video applications, desktop applications and CAD applications. Okay, again these are those areas shortly. This Python programming language is used as one of their main official programming languages by these famous companies nowadays. Our Python creator recently retired from Dropbox after a great service for the development of that company. Okay, this is the story behind Python and a very short introduction on Python programming language. If you are uncomfortable with anything which is explained here, please comment below. And do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos with much better explanations. Thank you very much.